Hello, welcome to IMA. What is a credit score? Is it important? Understanding credit scores with examples. CIBIL, Experian, Equifax. What is a credit score? A credit score is a number that shows how good you are at paying back money you borrow. It is like a trust mark for banks and lenders. In India, the most common score is CIBIL score. It usually ranges from 300 to 900. Higher score is equal to more trust from banks. Lower score is equal to less trust, more difficulty in getting loans. CIBIL score range. 750 to 900 means excellent and will get easy loan approval. 650 to 749 means good and it may get loan with higher interest. 550 to 649 means average and it will be difficult for loan approval. Below 550 means poor and it is very hard to get loans. Examples: CIBIL score in action. Example 1. Rahul has a CIBIL score of 820. He always pays his credit card bills on time and doesn't use more than 30% of his limit. When he applies for a home loan, the bank approves it quickly with low interest. Example 2. Priya has a score of 580. She missed some EMI payments and used 90% of her credit limit. When she applies for a car loan, the bank rejects it. Or, they offer very high interest. How is credit score calculated? Factors: 35% payment history, on-time payments, 30% credit utilization, how much of your credit limit you use, 15% credit history length, 10% credit mix, loans, credit cards, 10% new credit inquiries. Example: if you miss EMI payments, score drops. Why is it important? Good score, easy loan approval, low interest rates, better credit card offers. Bad score, loan rejection, higher interest, more stress. Even if you don't plan to take a loan now, a good score keeps future options open. How to improve your credit score? Pay all bills on time. Keep credit usage below 30% of your limit. Avoid applying for too many loans or cards at once. Keep old accounts open. Long history helps. Check your CIBIL report once a year for mistakes. Final message. Your credit score is like your financial reputation. Take care of it, and it will help you in the future. Thank you for watching.